Welcome back to RevCheck, where we dive deep into the most luxurious cutting-edge vehicles in the world. Today, we're taking you on an immersive journey into the world of ultra-premium motorhomes with the all-new 2026 Prevost Liberty. If there's one word to describe this masterpiece of engineering, it's opulence. The 2026 Liberty isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling 5-star hotel suite built on one of the most legendary bus chassis platforms in the world. Prevost Liberty Coach has taken that solid foundation and transformed it into something that's not only visually stunning but packed with the highest level of custom craftsmanship and technological innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on the new Liberty, it announces its presence with a bold and sophisticated exterior design. The full body paint is nothing short of artwork, with custom-designed color palettes, intricate fades, and mirror-like finishes that shimmer in sunlight. LED perimeter lighting runs seamlessly around the body, enhancing both safety and curb appeal. The Liberty logo glows subtly on entry, giving you the immediate impression that you're not about to step into just any RV or stepping into a one-of-a-kind creation. Asterisk. Open the automatic entry door and you're immediately greeted by a symphony of high-end materials and smart interior design. The floor plan is a marvel of space optimization, utilizing slide-outs that extend to create an incredibly spacious interior when parked. Liberty's signature salon design includes Italian leather seating, imported stone flooring, and precision cabinetry crafted from exotic woods. The living room is furnished with motorized recliners, hidden pop-up TVs, and a multi-zone sound system. Everything, from the lighting to the climate control, is operated through Liberty's proprietary touch panel control system, which now integrates with smartphones and voice commands. Imagine saying, "Hey Liberty, dim the lights," and watching the ambience transform instantly. The attention to detail is mind-blowing. Every stitch, every fixture, every surface is finished with luxury in mind. You don't just sit in a Liberty, you sink into it. Asterisk, move into the galley and the quality continues. You're looking at a residential-grade kitchen setup, complete with a full-size induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a refrigerator that rivals anything you'd find in a Manhattan penthouse. Countertops are made from genuine quartz or rare granite options, depending on customization, and they feature backlit edges that glow softly for evening ambience. Drawers are soft closed with brushed aluminum hardware, and the pantry is motorized for ease of access. There's also a built-in wine chiller and a hidden espresso machine tucked behind a polished wood panel. Liberty understands their clientele, and that means the kitchen isn't just a functional space. It's a gourmet command center ready for entertaining or indulging in high-end cuisine on the road. Asterisk, just past the kitchen, the hallway leads you into a spa-level bathroom experience. Split bath configurations are standard, maximizing privacy and usability. The powder room includes a vessel sink, custom-tiled backsplash, and touch-sensitive LED mirrors. The rear shower is a masterpiece of rainfall head, body jets, and a tick bench enclosed in real stone tilework. There's even an optional steam shower configuration. Of course, all plumbing fixtures are solid brass, and the toilet is a high-efficiency, macerating model with water-saving tech. And let's not forget the heated floors, which can be zoned independently across the coach for maximum comfort. Asterisk, step into the master suite, and you'll feel the stress of the outside world melt away. The bedroom in the 2026 Liberty is soundproofed with layered insulation, so even when parked at a noisy rest stop, you're wrapped in tranquility. The king-size bed features an adjustable base and luxury memory foam mattress with climate control. Overhead, a panoramic skylight can be blacked out with the touch of a button. The built-in entertainment system includes a 55-inch old smart TV with directional surround sound and a concealed subwoofer. There are custom closets with automatic lighting, velvet-lined drawers, and even a built-in safe. Liberty has left no detail unconsidered, from underbed storage with hydraulic lifts to a dedicated tech closet where your Wi-Fi router, signal boosters, and media servers live, completely out of sight. Asterisk, now let's talk performance. The 2026 Liberty is built on the tried-and-true Prevost H345 platform, known for its exceptional ride quality, safety, and durability. Underneath the coach, you'll find a Volvo D13 Turbo diesel engine delivering around 500 horsepower and over 1,800 pound-feet of torque. That kind of muscle ensures that even a fully loaded Liberty has no problem tackling mountain passes or highway cruising with ease. Paired with an Allison transmission and an advanced suspension system that actively levels and adjusts for road conditions, the Liberty delivers a buttery smooth ride that makes long hauls feel effortless. You also get an upgraded stability management system and radar-assisted cruise control to make driving safer and more comfortable. Asterisk, when it comes to off-grid capability, the 2026 model steps up the game with an advanced lithium-ion battery pack paired with a dual inverter setup. The coach can run fully electric for hours at a time, powering the HVAC, entertainment, lighting, and appliances without starting the generator. Speaking of which, the Liberty comes with a 20 kilowatts diesel generator that's whisper quiet, nestled in a sound-dampening enclosure. For those eco-minded travelers, solar panels on the roof now come standard, with the option to expand up to 2,000 watts. That's enough to keep your batteries charged during extended stays in remote areas, giving you the freedom to go off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. Asterisk on the tech front. Liberty has introduced what they're calling the SmartCoach Interface, a next-gen control system that manages every aspect of the motor. From a central tablet or your smartphone, you can monitor tank levels, battery charge, climate zones, lighting scenes, and even your GPS position. The system also connects to the cloud, allowing Liberty's service team to run diagnostics remotely if you ever run into trouble. This is next-level connectivity and peace of mind. Asterisk security is another area where Liberty excels. You're looking at biometric entry systems, security cameras with night vision, motion detectors, and a full perimeter alarm system. You can even view the coach's camera feeds from your smartphone while you're away dining or shopping. Liberty understands that many of their owners live in this coach part-time or even full-time, and they've designed the security system accordingly. Add in the vehicle's robust build quality and you've got not just a luxury RV but a fortress on wheels. Asterisk outside. The amenities are just as jaw-dropping. There's an outdoor entertainment system with a weather-sealed 55-inch TV, a premium soundbar, and an electric awning with integrated lighting and wind sensors. The storage bays are all motorized with slide-out trays and LED lighting, making it easier than ever to access your gear. You'll also find an exterior refrigerator and a quick-connect propane line for grilling. And yes, the bays are climate-controlled, so even your cargo rides in comfort. Asterisk pricing for the 2026 Prevost Liberty is, as you might expect, on the stratospheric side. Depending on customization, most builds will land between $2.50 and $3.5 million. But for that price, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a statement, a lifestyle, and the confidence of owning one of the finest luxury RVs ever made. And with Liberty Coach's decades-long reputation for customer service, concierge support, and build quality, it's a long-term investment in both comfort and prestige. Asterisk so, who is the 2026 Liberty really for? It's for the person or family that wants more than travel. They want ultimate control over their experience. It's for entertainers, adventurers, digital nomads, and retirees who aren't willing to compromise. It's for those who expect private jet levels of luxury, but on the open road, whether you're pulling into a luxury RV resort in the Rockies or boondocking in the Arizona desert, the Liberty transforms every mile into something extraordinary. Asterisk, that's it for this episode of RevCheck. The 2026 Prevost Liberty isn't just a marvel of engineering, it's a symbol of how far motorhome luxury has come. From design and technology to performance and comfort, it checks every box imaginable. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more high-end vehicle reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more premium content rolling out soon. Until next time, travel smart, live free, and keep chasing the horizon.